it's Aaron, and today we'll be going through the solution for Marcus Ball. This puzzle is a level 7 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. So here we have Marcus Ball. Kind of got almost like a tennis ball look to it. Cool. The whole goal of this puzzle is to disassemble and reassemble this puzzle. So to get started, we're just going to take 2 of the halves and just try pushing it. Now if it doesn't go, try going the other direction. And it should bust apart like that. Now we got a bunch of magnets that were holding it in place. And we also internally have these parts that are just bridged really well. So you can't just pull it apart like so. But there is enough space to rotate it like so. And then we're going to rotate the other half like so. And then we can actually pull it out and you'll see the magnets grab again. Doesn't matter. Pull it clear through. So now if you accidentally rotated this, like if you accidentally rotate it, your grooves won't line up. So you might have to undo it, rotate it again, and redo it. And we might see that here because I minorly forgot which way I was when I removed it. But putting it back isn't too bad. We'll just put it in, rotate it again, and we're back to the start. And push it in, and our grooves line up all the way around, so we've done it correctly. Well, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.